Turkey, straddling two continents, Asia and Europe, covers an area of approximately 783,356 square kilometers. Its population is about 85 million people, reflecting a diverse cultural tapestry. Turkey shares its borders with 8 countries: Greece and Bulgaria to the northwest, Georgia to the northeast, Armenia, Azerbaijan, the exclave of Nakhchivan, and Iran to the east, and Iraq and Syria to the south. The country also has maritime boundaries with Cyprus, Russia, and Ukraine. The official currency is the Turkish lira, symbolizing the nation's economic identity. This geographical and cultural bridge between continents boasts a rich history and strategic geopolitical significance. Turkey's history is a mosaic of ancient civilizations, imperial legacies, and a determined journey towards modernity, set against the backdrop of its unique position bridging Europe and Asia. This land, anciently known as Anatolia, has been a crucible for human development, hosting early societies like the Hittites, renowned for their advancements in iron smelting and legal systems in the 2nd millennium BC. The region saw the rise and fall of the Phrygians, Urartians, and Lydians, each contributing to the rich tapestry of culture, art, and early economic systems. The Greek and Persian empires left indelible marks, enriching the coastal cities with trade and culture. The Roman Empire's embrace of the region furthered architectural and urban development, a legacy carried on by the Byzantine Empire as it safeguarded Christian orthodoxy and Greco-Roman traditions through the centuries. The architectural marvels of this era, including the Hagia Sophia, symbolize the era's sophistication and resilience. The Seljuk Turks' arrival introduced Islam and initiated a new cultural and political chapter, paving the way for the Ottoman Empire's ascendancy. Under leaders like Sultan Mehmed II, the Ottomans conquered Constantinople, signaling the end of the Byzantine era and ushering in a golden age of Islamic and Turkish culture under Suleiman the Magnificent. However, the empire's inability to adapt to changing global dynamics led to its slow decline, culminating in its dissolution after World War I. The establishment of the Republic of Turkey by Mustafa Kemal Ataturk in 1923 marked a transformative period. Ataturk's secular, modern vision for Turkey initiated widespread reforms in education, law, and culture, reshaping the nation's identity. The adoption of the Latin alphabet and the promotion of secular laws exemplified the dramatic shift towards westernization. In the modern era, Turkey continues to navigate its complex identity, balancing its Islamic heritage with secular governance, amid the challenges of democratic transitions and regional geopolitics. Its strategic location continues to afford it significant geopolitical leverage, as it engages with both Eastern and Western powers, reflecting its historical legacy as a bridge between continents. This synthesis of Turkey's history encapsulates its evolution from a crossroads of ancient civilizations to a modern republic, highlighting the continuity and change in its journey through time. The country's rich past, marked by periods of great cultural and political significance, informs its present, shaping its path towards the future while navigating the complexities of internal and external dynamics. Turkey's culture is a rich amalgamation of traditions that reflect its unique position at the crossroads of Europe and Asia. Its diverse heritage is the product of various civilizations, including the Greeks, Romans, Byzantines, and Ottomans, each leaving an indelible mark on the country's customs, architecture, cuisine, and arts. Turkish cuisine, renowned for its variety and flavors, illustrates this blend of influences. Dishes such as kebabs, mezes, and baklava showcase the complex history of the region, integrating spices from the Silk Road, cooking techniques from the Middle East, and culinary traditions from the Mediterranean. Turkish tea and coffee hold a special place in daily life, symbolizing hospitality and companionship. The arts in Turkey are another area where diverse influences merge. Ottoman architecture, with its grand mosques adorned with intricate tilework and soaring minarets, stands alongside ancient Greek ruins and Byzantine structures. Traditional crafts like carpet weaving, calligraphy, and pottery flourish, preserving ancient techniques while embracing contemporary designs. Music and dance are vital expressions of Turkish culture, encompassing a range of styles from the classical music of the Ottoman court to the folk traditions of the Anatolian countryside. Instruments like the oud and the saz accompany dances that vary widely across regions, from the whirling dervishes of Konya, symbolizing Sufi mystical practices, to the lively steps of the Horan in the Black Sea region. Literature and poetry hold a significant place in Turkish culture, with roots in the epic stories of Central Asia. This tradition evolved over the centuries, incorporating Persian and Arabic influences during the Ottoman era and adopting a more European approach in the modern period. Writers like Orhan Pamuk, who won the Nobel Prize in Literature, continue to explore Turkey's complex identity, bridging the gap between East and West. Religion, primarily Islam, has shaped the social and cultural fabric of Turkey, influencing daily life, festivals, and ceremonies. However, the secular principles established by Mustafa Kemal Ataturk have fostered a society where religious and secular viewpoints coexist. Turkey's culture is characterized by its ability to honor its past while navigating the challenges of the modern world. This dynamic interplay between tradition and innovation makes Turkish culture vibrant and enduring, reflecting the diverse influences that have shaped this land through the ages.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe our channel for more videos.